Hey, what's up everybody? Today we have a Rise of the Floodborn starter deck. Let's see what we get. Here we go. Get the usual playmat. Counters. Starter deck. Wrapped. And we got a pack. Rules. As usual. Should we start off? We'll save it. We'll save the pack for last. This is the Amethyst and Steel deck. Let's check these guys out. All right, our first our first card is this Merlin with the texture. Ooh, shout out to Merlin from Shrek 3. Yes, sir. Little light on the texture there. Tiana. Still gotta watch that movie. Okay. Did I show that off? Here we go. Alright, that's pretty cool. That's fire. Chip the teacup. A couple of those. The doctor. I got a minifigure of this dude. And that princess, this rooster. Hey, I think, Cusco. Cusco TV show. That shit was pretty funny. Madam Mim. Merlin. So many Merlins. Damn, bro. I didn't know he could, evolve. Go all Animorphs. Freeze. I'm stuck. Hey, look at that poo. Beast. Damn, that's crazy. That's actually cool. Benjamin. Okay, Cinderella. Eli LaBeouf. Hercules. Kronk. Look at that Kronk. Lawrence. Lilo in space. Hey, that's cool. That's funny looking. The Prince. More Prince. The Huntsman. The Prince. Tiana. Lorcana. Mouse armor. So it looks like there's a lot of, what's that one movie? I think they're Mulan. Bunch of Mulan cards. Hercules. Actually, no, you got a little bit of everything. Here we got the Let It Go chick, Elsa. Yeah, a little pretty varied. I was gonna say it focuses on one theme, but not really. Alright. Some heart of the cards. Hopefully we pull something. Verona, Cruella de Vil, Sleepy, Merlin, Donald Duck, Pinocchio, Queen of Hearts, The Prince, Lumiere, Yzma, and a Madam. Ooh, I like that. Dude. That's adorable. And we got this alright holo. Can't be mad at a free holo. Alright, let's check these bad boys out one more time. We got the Merlin Shapeshifter. Overpowered shape-shifting abilities. And then we got Dreamborn Hero Princess. She got resist 2. What you give is what you get. Okay. That effect might actually be pretty good. Stops your opponents from making plays. And then this one. And then this one seems to be a little kind of like, if you lose one, you gain one, but Tiana might be a little more overpowered. Alright, let's check out the deck list real quick one more time. I don't know if there's any money cards in here or meta relevant cards, but yeah, this is a little fun. Have to get some of these sleeved up, throw them in the binder. Yes, sir. Why not? And then we got these random ones. Yzma. I wonder if any of these are pretty good. Pinocchio. Sheesh. Ooh, this might actually go good with the Merlin. I don't know if you can play multiples at the same time, but yeah, this might go good with Merlin, or just be really annoying. Donald Duck. Yeah, I like that, Donald. Shout out to Kingdom of Hearts, Donald Duck. Sleepy. Don't know what exerted means. I'm guessing he means like played or something during your turn. Evasive. She ain't got no effect. What the heck? Can't talk your way out of the battle. Same with this dude. Damn, okay, we got some mid cards. Yzma. What did it say again? Oh wait, I didn't read it. When you play this card, shuffle. This might go good with Merlin. Especially if, or you could use it on yourself and then draw 2. Something like that. Depends. Okay. Well, that was one of the decks. On the low, I do have another one. I forgot where I put it. Oh, here it is. But we'll check it out later. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye.